Making today? Go ahead.
Ready? Hi, my name is Bossert, Executive Chef, Tria Restaurant. Today I'm going to be preparing our new venison dish on our spring menu. Seared venison with a creamy polenta, fried shallot, red wine braised mushrooms, and a little pork reduction. So right now I will make the creamy polenta. 5 parts liquid. It could be water, veggie stock. This is a combination of veggie stock and cream. Bring that to boil first before we do that. Feel free to ask me questions.
Okay.
So should I go into the dish a little bit? You can edit this, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So venison on Tria's menu, I feel it's important because that's what the owners do. One of their businesses, they raise red deer and timber. They have Red Deer Ranch in Montreal and in New Zealand, so I always try to keep some version of venison on the menu. It gets difficult. Venison is not exactly cheap, kind of expensive, but we find ways to make it work. So what we have here is the creamy polenta. Like I said, 4 parts liquid. This is a combination of vegetable stock and cream. Whisking your polenta. Stirring constantly so it does not scorch. Once the polenta cooks, it'll thicken up a little bit. And then we'll finish it off. Exciting, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. So how is this going to be incorporated into the dish then?
And actually we put the venison medallions, I'll sear them a little bit here on a bed of this, or a couple of schmears.
Oh, okay.
Basically, cooking, for me it's easy. Basically all it is building layers of flavor and texture. So this will be the base layer. Well, like I said, this is just cream and vegetable stock right now. I'm going to season up a little bit. A little bit of salt and pepper. And I've got some shredded white cheddar. And last but not least, just a little bit of butter. Everything's better with butter. Take off the heat, incorporate all those ingredients. That's it, creamy polenta. Check the taste on it. Throw a little chive in it too, just for a little color.
Sure.
And that's that. We'll let the videographer taste some. It's hot, so don't burn your mouth.
It's a lot thicker than I had expected.
Yeah, you don't want it running all over the blades.
Sure.
I mean, we used to have it before with the grits, and it was a lot thicker than that even.
Where can I throw this?
So here, that's venison.
So where did this venison come from?
This is actually New Zealand, so this could potentially be some of the venison that my owners farm down there. Venison farms in New Zealand, like dairy farms here,
Sure.
Start this with a little bit of salt and pepper. When people come to the restaurant and have venison, and they can't believe it doesn't taste like, it's not like, Bambi that Uncle Jim shoots. This is humanely called. Usually when a hunter shoots a deer, it runs through the woods for a while, and that adrenaline gets in the meat. That's when you get that really, really gamey.
Sure.
This stuff almost tastes like beef. It's a little bit gamier than beef.
Huh. Yeah, I didn't realize adrenaline could affect taste.
Oh yeah. Something slaughtered just like we slaughter cows in the backyard. We got that on high heat right now. We'll give her a good sear. Lock in some of that flavor. Venison should be, mid-rare, mid, not very outside. Otherwise, it tends, it's pretty lean meat, so it tends to dry out. Flip that over, turn it off. The mushrooms that are going to go on top there, in this case, the wild blend mushrooms, sauteed with a little bit of garlic and shallot. And red wine's added, and we just reduce that down until the wine comes down, but the flavor permeates the mushroom. Once again, it's just like I said, we're just building layers of flavor.
Sure.
It's all, restaurant cooking. And texture.
Right.
Speaking of texture, right? Part of the layer of texture, these are just shallots thinly sliced. And we soak in the buttermilk. And then we'll just season them up. Toss in some flour. Fry them up. This is a 6-ounce portion.
Can you talk a little bit about where this fits in with the menu?
Like I said, one of the reasons I want to have venison on because the owners, that's what they do for a living.
Sure.
We tend to, Tria is basically American with a European twist, used to be French twist, but that's kind of very narrow, so we started expanding it. And for this one, I was looking for something light for summer. You may not think the polenta's light, but we don't give you that much of it. It's a nice light dish. All right, just about ready to plate. Like I said, mid-rare. Mid. I prefer on the rarer side. Put it right here for you.
Sure.
So if I want to go on the bottom. Venison Medallions on top of that. Flavorful mushrooms on top of that. And we'll take a little bit of this port wine reduction. Here's just port wine and honey. Do it on a low flame, just simmer it down. And the crunch factor on top. The shallots. And as my sous chef says, a little bit of love, parsley, and then a little bit of whole blood microgreens. And that's it. That's the finished dish. Now
Thank you.
You're welcome. Time for you to eat. Did you have lunch?